we have created movie magic. And that is what Mi 11 is about. At the foundation of movie magic is our studio-level camera. Mi 11 features a primary 108 megapixel camera, 123 degrees ultra-wide, and tele-macro lenses. Combining these, Mi 11 really lets you shoot like a director. Let's take a look. Magic Zoom lets you create background-only zoom to change perception. Time Freeze lets you isolate and freeze just part of your video. Parallel World gives you a two-sided view of your scene, whilst Freeze Frame lets you create and catch up with moving clones. Very cool. Time Lapse simplifies long shots, and Slow Shutter lets you create unique artistic blurs, all with just a single click.